This game is best recommended with headphones. We don't have headphones.
Upon.
Thank you for applying for this job.
Hello,
Primary
hello.
duty is reporter.
This
and
is
your task is to report any
USA. You got
anomalies you see.
oil?
Wait, I'm...
Anomalies are any abnormal actions that
How do I press
objects may
R
exhibit,
in mobile?
and from its original location.
Oh.
Task
Yo,
Oh,
is this
okay.
the house?
Okay.
Hey, yo, bro.
you will handle
I'm still loading.
You're still...
report an anomaly.
Okay, well, good luck. You still loading?
No,
Okay, let's explore. We memorize everything. We split up.
memorize.
We open every single door, just in case we miss.
So this bathroom
Skibidi
is a
toilet.
bathroom. This toilet is a toilet. Skibidi toilet.
Skibidi. No.
Threat level, mild. Current area, living room. Selected anomaly. Moved object, extra object, missing object, stage,
Ooh, this is new.
strange
Wait, wait.
imagery, strange light, intruder, distorted
Bro,
object,
bro,
alter.
something. We have our first anomaly.
What?
Look at the time. What do we call that? Other. Okay, report. That's how to use it. You know what? Fixing.
Oh, yo, bro, 33, 33.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yo,
talking
bro, this
about.
is an anomaly.
Anomaly removed. There you go. We did it. That's our first. Okay. Now we find more. We're still at mild, wild. Okay, we explore. We haven't seen this yet.
Wait. What did you put on the tablet or iPad?
Ooh, this is new. Wait, others. Yes. So this is new. This is new. I saw this. Extra object. Report. I watched tutorial before we play, okay? Okay, let's explore this. Oh! Okay, intruder. In the window.
Yo. Intruder.
Yes, intruder. Get the freak out of here.
Intruder.
Bro. Get the freak out of here, bro. There.
My word, dad.
Remove.
Word strict, dad.
Extra object. Wait. There's basement. We go.
Oh, bro.
What's that? Other? Maybe? Sure. Whatever. Why not?
Okay. Strange life.
Look for the power box.
Strange light.
It's obviously in the
Strange light.
basement, so let's go to the
Strange
basement. Nothing found. Let's go to the
This
basement.
is so scary.
We don't have a flashlight. What the fuck do we want to do?
We don't have to go to the basement anymore.
Yeah, let's go, bro. What bad could happen?
There any extra object? No.
Wait. Strange imagery. Wait, where is it? Okay.
Strange imagery.
I see
Strange
the
imagery.
ID. The ID. Okay, I decide.
No. Dude, is this even my house? Or my mom's house?
No freaking idea. Okay, let's open all the doors.
Dude, okay. Pick up.
We should check the basement before it becomes dark.
Thank you for applying for this job. I didn't apply.
Okay, check the basement just in case if this is the power box. Power box.
Where? Oh wait, the basement. Oh my gosh. The power box is in the basement.
Door?
All along.
Oh, okay, okay, this is the power box, okay. We got lost.
Strange imagery.
Why is the bucket floating? Wait. What? Wait. Ow,
Where's the bucket? Oh, bro. Wait. Excuse me, the bucket. Wait. Strange. Missing object, moved object. Moved object.
It's fine, it's not fine now. The bucket is smaller. When you mean extra
Bucket is
object?
small.
When you mean extra object?
No, that's true.
Ooh, this sword object. A freaking pan. Look the dan, bro. It's time for it to report this.
Wait, oh no, that's not.
Report it. Oh, this
What?
one also.
Report.
The Coca-Cola is floating.
Extra object.
The Coca-Cola is
Extra
floating.
object. Coca-Cola.
The Coca-Cola is
Coca-Cola.
floating. Wait, the Coca-Cola is floating. Wait, bro.
Coca-Cola, moved object. No.
In report, intruder. What do you think? Hello.
Intruder.
Delivery. Okay, sige, okay.
Nothing found.
What did you put?
Nothing found. Started object.
The sword. No, bro, it's done. I reported it.
Wait, again?
This is bad.
String
Okay,
imagery.
okay. Report extra object or wait, what do I do? Other, yes, other.
Dude, I can't find anything
There's
downstairs.
so many in
I
the
don't know.
guest room. Help me, help me, help me. Holy Go to the
Oh gosh.
basement time.
Dude, go down, go down, go down.
Wait.
Go down.
Go to the basement.
The power
I'm gonna report
box.
this. I'm just gonna report
Downstairs.
this. Wait, I'm just gonna report this.
Downstairs.
Go downstairs. Just gonna report this. Let's go to my.
Go straight, right here. Open.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Oh, wow. I get downstairs.
Who owns this house, bro? Just freaking destroy it. What?
We can destroy it. I know, right?
Just destroy it.
We just freaking destroy it. Mild. It's mild. Wait. It's mild.
Wait. Other. The carry. How do I pronounce that thing? Like the.
No.
Some-
Right here.
Yeah,
Right
just
here.
move, just
Strange
move.
imagery. Extra object. Missing object. Missing
Nothing's
object.
Wait. Moved object. Yes. Okay.
Downstairs. I saw something.
Yes,
there,
yes, okay.
there was like something written here, and then it just something.
What's written? You're gay.
Wait, I think this is the one.
Intruder. Strange imagery. Missing object. No wait.
Oh, there we go.
What's that? What?
There.
What's
Strange
you?
imagery. There we go.
Okay. Good.
Come back.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry, bro.
Check the kitchen.
Oh, bro, the pan. Oh, bro. Why?
Back the basement.
Why?
Bro, it's still. Wait, I think there's more wheels.
Oh, it's big.
Wait.
The anomaly became big.
The
The anomaly. Dude, check upstairs. I'm gonna go check downstairs right here.
Yeah, wait. Ooh, okay. I just got something. Okay. Missing object. I know there's more wheels. I know it. Ooh, to the run.
Bye, sang. Sir.
What?
Bro,
Back. Wait. Moved object. Wait. Discard other.
intruder.
Go to the intruder. I'll fix the bucket. Bakit ba? I give up on the drawing. I give up on the drawing. Zen, I give up on the drawing. I can't fix it. I just can't. Frick that drawing. Those kids,
Yo,
I hate
bro.
them.
Who's that, bro? Intruder?
Who's what?
I don't know what to
Who's
speak
what?
anymore.
What did you hear? I didn't hear anything.
I don't know what to pick anymore. You heard that as well, bro?
I know.
Intruder. Intruder.
It's somewhere. Wait. Shut the frick up. I don't know how to pick. Oh! Intruder.
Where? Oh, intruder.
Spider-Man.
Intruder.
Wait, we're going to the room. Nothing found. Fuck you. Intruder. Spider-Man. They're gone.
There goes Fix.
That's not millions.
Yeah,
such a
bro.
I love this movie, bro.
We're watching TV right now with Ivan, and we're watching Black.
Yes, this is such a good movie, bro. I recommend watching it, everyone. The series is good. Yes, bro. It's so good.
The next episode we are watching White. Okay.
Yes, that's so cool. We are now Walter Black. Do you know
Next
what?
episode we're watching Gray.
Wow. You know who's the main character? Wait, no. That's the title. Okay, so the character is Walter Black, and the title of the movie is Breaking Games. Get it?
I know.
Breaking games, bro. New movie just dropped.